start it over. Suki Yuki.
Hey guys, I'm Aaron, work at PC Gamers. For Katie's build, we started with the Asus motherboard. We had the G.Skill Royal RAM, 32 gigabytes. We had a Gigabyte 2080 water-cooled block.
I just unboxed my new PC that I commissioned, a unicorn build.
We also had 2 custom rads from PrimoChill. They're amazing. I can just tell you that from the get-go. In terms of the build itself, we have a Corsair case, the 580X, excuse me. And the whole goal behind this was to get it built for streaming and gaming all in one. That was our main purpose, and seeing her reaction, that made it all. So thanks, appreciate it, guys.
Well, thank you. Definitely me. This PC that really embodies, who I am. It has, it has a little glass unicorn in it. There's all these lights in it. The cooling system is pink and it's gonna glow pink in the black light. There's all these, RGB lights everywhere. It's the fans are rainbow. Even the freaking RAM is rainbow. It's really, really fabulous and flamboyant. I love it.
Hey Devin, can you turn the light off real fast so we can show just real quick? Just do it real fast.
It's so pretty.
With the black lights? Yeah. I can bring it to your house.